佛都有火，佛都有火。
Buddha has an image of kind and not easy to become angry. We may know someone who is very kind and lives like the Buddha. In rare situation, he becomes angry and it is normally due to unrighteousness. We can say
佛都有火，
to describe his condition. It is also used to describe something unrighteous to an extent that every people should be angry. For example,
真係佛都有火啊！佢點樣能夠落手殺自己咁可愛嘅孫㗎？真係佛都有火啊！佢點樣能夠落手殺自己咁可愛嘅孫㗎？
in English, it means even Buddha becomes angry in this situation. How she could kill her cute 6-year-old grandson. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.